It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna set up another campaign from scratch. I made a landing page for this, so let's dive into it. Alright, I'm gonna click funnels. I'm gonna split test these two pages right here. I'm gonna promote Metacore. It's one of my pages. It's another one of my pages. Let's split test both of these pages. So create new campaign, visits to my website, search ads, click next. Type in Metacore. I'm gonna do $3.25 a day. Uncheck that. United States. United Kingdom. Canada. Australia. New Zealand. You're gonna use these key words, exact and phrase match. Grab those. Scroll down, save, go to next step. Into these keywords down here. Type in Metacore. Create one more ad group. For Metacore reviews, gonna name it reviews. These three keywords for the reviews. Make keyword list, grab these. Put those in there. Save and go to next step. Let's say, come on. Come on, it's frozen. Come on. I'm gonna put Metacore 90% off the day. Free shipping. Oh, my phone's about to die. Scroll to the bottom. Come grab this. Copy this. Paste this in here. Let's see. 90% off the day only. Bam, I like that. There we are. All we need. Grab my website. Website in here. Whoops. Click magic. Grab my website from right here. Put it in here. Here. Set my tracking link. That right here. I'll go query stream. Device and ad ID. There we go. So the first ad is there. Copy ad. Right here, gonna say buy Metacore supplement. Save that. Copy that. We can put order. Whoops. Order Metacore supplement. Bow. Copy this to other ad group. Bow. Metacore review. Bow. Copy that. Metacore scam. Whoops. There we go. All our ads are made. Scroll to the bottom. Save and go to the next step. Gonna do $3.50 bid. This same here with this $3.50. Bow. Scroll to the bottom. Add distribution. Being an ALL only. Save. And there we go. Campaign created. Yeah, I do a few days with this. See how this campaign goes. In the meanwhile, you guys like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram @JWillTV. Have a good night.